Hello everyone, here is the highly anticipated video on how to control anger. Anger, a natural emotion that can consume us if left unchecked. Do you struggle to manage your temper? Don't worry. Today we have you covered with simple yet effective techniques that will help you control anger and live a more peaceful life. Let's start with technique number 1. Deep breathing. When we're angry, our breathing becomes shallow and rapid, but by consciously taking deep breaths, we can calm our nervous system. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, and repeat. This simple technique can diffuse tension and clear your mind. Now technique number 2, step away. Sometimes we just need to take a break. Remove yourself from the situation and take a short walk. This physical distance can help you regain control and perspective. Use this time to reflect on what triggered your anger and how to address it constructively. Moving on to technique number 3, identify triggers. It's essential to understand what sparks your anger. Reflect on your emotions and identify patterns. Is it stress, frustration, or feeling disrespected? Once you recognize your triggers, you can develop strategies to cope with them more effectively. Lastly, technique number 4, mindful communication. Effective communication is key to resolving conflicts. Practice active listening. Use I statements instead of you statements, and focus on solutions rather than placing blame. Mindful communication can prevent escalation and promote understanding. In conclusion, controlling anger takes practice. But with these techniques, you can start managing your emotions today. Remember, deep breathing, step away, identify triggers, and mindful communication. Share your own anger management tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement